Welcome to this episode, where we'll dive into the intricacies of software licensing and how tools like Hawkeye can streamline compliance. Whether you're a developer, project manager, or tech enthusiast, today's topic is crucial in ensuring our software is not only functional, but also adheres to legal requirements. So, what is Hawkeye? Well, think of it as your trusty sidekick in the quest for clean, compliant code. Hawkeye serves an essential purpose. It checks and formats license headers within your code, ensuring that everything is in line with the required licensing standards. And let's face it, no one enjoys dealing with licensing issues, right? It's like the paperwork of the programming world, tedious but necessary. Now, Hawkeye operates through a few straightforward commands. If you want to check your license headers, you simply run Hawkeye check. Need to fix any issues? Just use Hawkeye format, and it'll auto-correct files that didn't meet the compliance check. And if you ever find yourself needing to remove license headers, there's a command for that too. Hawkeye remove. It's pretty user-friendly. For those of you who are into diversifying your workflow with GitHub Actions, Hawkeye fits right in. You can effortlessly integrate it with your GitHub projects by adding a configuration file, licensearkey.toml. This simple addition allows you to specify your license type, copyright owner, and more. It's like setting the rules of engagement for your project's licensing without taking too much time out of your coding schedule. And let's not overlook the installation process. For those of you who prefer using Arch Linux, it's as easy as running a command in Pacman. If you're not on Arch, don't worry. You can also install it via Rust's package manager, Cargo, or grab a pre-built binary. Easy peasy, right? But what if you need something more customized? Hawkeye handles that beautifully with flexible configuration options. You can specify headers, inline comments, and even exclusions to fit your project's unique needs. For instance, if you're adhering to a specific format or style, Hawkeye allows you to define rules that match your project criteria. Speaking of flexibility, I found it fascinating how Hawkeye's origins trace back to the License Maven plugin. Someone took that concept beyond Java to Rust, emphasizing the need for a lightweight alternative. And isn't that what the tech industry is all about? Innovating and improving upon existing ideas? So, as we wrap up our discussion today, consider the implications of licensing compliance in your projects. With tools like Hawkeye, not only is it possible to maintain compliance with less effort, but you can also focus more on what you do best, coding. If you're curious about applying these tools in your workflow, give it a go and see how much it enhances your productivity. Before we sign off, let me leave you with a thought-provoking question. How important do you think licensing compliance is in the ever-evolving world of open-source software? Thanks for joining me in this insightful journey into the world of Hawkeye. Until next time, keep coding responsibly.